You can't have HIT without the interval. As much as we all love to preach the tired old mantra, no days off, we need to remember if we want progress, we need to seek recovery. The interval portion of HIT is what makes the evolution so effective. By taking the interval, you're able to push harder towards your max capacity during each of the higher intensity portions. How you handle your lifestyle and training split should be no different. Proper prioritization of rest and recovery is crucial for progress. When training is hard, it's necessary to recover even harder. The ultimate goal of training is to enhance performance, but demanding more from our bodies means we need to prioritize recovery. Without proper recovery, our bodies can only handle so much output before fighting back. Think of rest and recovery as recharging the batteries. If not properly charged, chronic overworking of the body can result in halted or regressive progress. Stress from overworking leads to decreased performance, high cortisol, injury risks, lowered immunity, exhaustion, aches, and negative composition changes. Taking rest days seriously is crucial for overall transformation. Training 6 to 7 days a week without prioritizing recovery hinders, not helps, performance. Plus, anyone who can train without taking a rest day isn't training hard enough, period. If you're training to the level of intensity you should and draining the batteries, the body will be begging for those recovery days. Trust us. Welcome to the district.